Security systems should contain some element of surprise. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. If you are moving into a new factory, ensure that your security plan has some level of surprise or elements that aren't immediately obvious. Seasoned criminals can obviously accurately assess how effective security measures are and find ways to avoid them. An example of adding some element of surprise might be a long-range radar or a concealed detector connected to a PTZ camera. When the criminal unknowingly crosses the line or is detected by the detection, the camera can immediately swing round and focus on the intruder. Other such examples are dispensable fogs or dyes. So remember, make sure you add some element of surprise into your security plan. If you would like to know more about security, why not download our guide?